We're out here at Lucap Wharf. It's still, of course, it's still the pandemic. Pandemic crisis still in effect. So things are pretty slow. Things are pretty quiet in the tourism industry. And 100 Islands in Alaminos City is no exception. Sadly. But we are out here to just take a look at what's going on, if anything. And let's take a quick look. Shells? Sheds. Oh, for the boats? No?
I think so.
It actually kind of looks like overhangs, like, oh, what am I trying to say? Yeah, exactly, just that.
We haven't had 2020.
No. So yeah, pretty quiet. Real quiet. I'm just saying how quiet it is out here, but oh, they're still doing business. Yeah. So the kiosk is still open. I'd like to go out there again. It was pretty cool. Soon, real soon. I want to get out there again.
Okay, sir. Enjoy.
Yeah, when you guys running the boats all day?
Yeah.
Are you?
We're a boatman here.
Oh. Yeah, I was gonna ask, where are all the boats parked just out here now?
Yeah.
Because last time I was here, I didn't see any boats. Because I know last year the boats were like right here, weren't they? Yeah. Okay. We will be. Hold on a second. Let me shut this. Okay, so we just got the lowdown on boats and boat prices and all that. They said 6 people, because I think we're interested in maybe taking 6 people out, myself, Eden, and then maybe 4 guests, maybe kids or whatever. So 6 people looks to be about 2,000 pesos, and then he said 100 per person, something or another fee. Anyways, so you're looking at about 2,600 pesos. I guess it sounds that way for 6 people to get out to the islands, which, you know, it's, to me it's worth it. It's because it's an all-day affair, and it's, well, it's lasting memories, I guess you could say. So yeah, I'm really interested in going back out again, for sure. Absolutely, it's fun. Yeah, and if we can take a couple kids with us from the neighborhood, I'll pay for it. Yeah, I mean, we'll do it. Yeah, I'll definitely do that. So anyways, yeah, last time we were out here, I was looking for the boats. Where are the boats? Where are the boats? Where are the boats? Because they used to actually park right in here. But they landfilled everything here, so now I guess they're just pushed out here now, which is okay. Makes sense. So, at any rate, things are slowly and gradually picking up, it looks like. The boats are here, and that's a good sign, so we can get out to the islands. I'm looking forward to it. We will be doing that soon. Yep, pretty quiet out here. But peaceful. I mean, you wanna kind of get away from the city for a few minutes. Come somewhere where it's just kind of serene and peaceful. come and hang out down here. Sit next to the water. Just relax. Get a dinner or a lunch like we did. Yeah. Nice change of pace. We'll go down here and see what the vendors are doing. See what they're selling. Uh-oh, they see me coming a mile away. Hey, sir. Hey, sir. Huh? Yeah, we'll take a glance at everything here in a minute. Oh yeah, the shells. Those are nice. Oh, anyways, what do we got? Chips, snacks, and sodas. Cheese! So, I think we're on the back end here of these little souvenir shops. We'll whip around to the front and I'll give you all a glance. What's that? Oh, the shells. Yeah, those are nice.
In front of the door.
Oh, by the bamboo gate?
Yeah. At the roof.
Ask them how much. Well, if you're really that interested. Yeah, because they're like, what, wind chimes, basically is what they are. Maybe I should walk further down. Yeah. Pretty nice. Let me continue down this way. Actually, I think if I walk out here, I might be able to see a little bit better. Yeah, 300 I guess isn't going to break the bank. How much for the Burnout Gym t-shirt? Alright, so we just closed the deal on some shell wind chimes.
Actually 350, but Ate said big at 300.
Okay.
Thank you, Ate. Thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Ate. So we just closed the deal on that, 300 pesos. We got a 50 peso discount, I guess. That's cool. So yeah, we'll hang those out around our front door on the bamboo gated area that we have outside our front door.
Yeah.
So yeah, some more souvenir shops, all kinds of neat little, oh gosh, don't show my wife that. She's gonna be all over. Those are pretty nice. Yeah, she already.
I never asked you to buy for me. I
don't know. I see some new colors and some different designs. They look pretty nice.
The blue one is nice.
Yeah, I like the. Yeah, there's a few over there that look pretty nice.
I already have enough.
So there's just some of the souvenir shops in the area. There's a couple more over there. We go to this one across the street over there, across the street quite a bit. So they're kind of lined up down here by the trikes. Oh, a couple more back here. And we got trikes up there to bring us back into the Alaminos city, and then more souvenirs over here. And you can kind of haggle with them a little bit. You know, you can counter offer their offer respectfully, of course. You know, I don't want to lowball them too hard. So, anyways, yeah, looking across the street over here, we have some more gift shops. So, yep, that's pretty much it. We're gonna hop in the trike, head on back that way. We gotta go back to the city. So, hey guys, thanks a lot for joining us, and as always, take care of yourselves, and we will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.